This is chapter 1G, strumming properly. And I think this is really, really important that you understand so that you can make your habits good for your upcoming playing. So this is what you do with a pick. This is what I usually see. Usually people will try and straighten the pick as you go down and up like this, down and up. I say, you know what? Get into the habit early and put your pick on a little bit of an angle like this, and then the opposite angle when you're coming up. Downstroke, upstroke. Like that. And if you can get into the habit early, it'll be better for you the longer you play.